I just finished a cold plunge. I'm up in the mountains or in the canyon, not really in the mountain, but in the canyon, doing my daily walk and a cold plunge. And I wanted to turn the camera on and see what happens. Look at the beautiful sun behind me. I am working on a super fun project that I want to talk about that is motivating me to turn on my camera and talk. And I'm putting together an event with someone that I met a few months ago who is a photographer. And I've had this idea for a couple years now to combine the Alexander technique with photography, because I am so awkward in pictures. I am so awkward, and I know a lot of people are, and I need pictures. I need pictures for my business. I have so many fun things that I want to be offering with my work. I have so many things I've been working on the last couple years, so many ideas that I want to do, and it's been a challenge deciding what to start with, what to focus on, because there's so many fun things I'm interested in. And I've been putting together my website and my profiles on different social media platforms, and I really need pictures. So guess what? That is the next thing. That is my next step, is putting together a really super fun workshop that's exactly what I need right now in my own life, in my own business. So that's what I'm working on, and I'm doing it with a friend of mine, my new friend Diandra, and she's an amazing photographer. So we're going to combine her talents with the Alexander technique. We're going to do some branding work, some coaching, marketing exercises. Sorry, I'm not being very articulate, but it's going to be really fun. So it's for people who are entrepreneurs, practitioners, people like me, people like you, if you're listening to this, who maybe this is your next step. Maybe you've been working on a business, or you're starting a business, and you need good pictures, and we're also going to do some work with video too. And you just want to look and sound more comfortable, more authentic, and more like the person that you know you are, instead of somebody who freezes up when they are put on the spot. So that's what we're going to be doing. I'm really excited, and I hope, if you're local and this sounds like it might be your next step, then I hope you'll join us, because this is the first event that we have done together, so it's going to be super affordable and really, really fun. Diandra doesn't even live here. She's coming from out of town. She's in the Sedona area, and so she's going to be driving out here, and we want to take full advantage of her skills and talents. And yeah, so that's my first check-in, letting people know what I'm up to. If you have any questions, reach out. We're going to be posting some more information about it, link to sign up, etc. And since this is our first one, we want to get lots of feedback. We want to talk to people, and we want to get lots of feedback. So we have big fun plans. So we'll see what happens, and we will keep in touch.